Yes people, we are here with an exclusive unboxing of the Nike Air Jordan 1 Low Paris. This sneaker has given me all of the Dior vibes, but before we get into it, make sure you hit that like, share and subscribe button because it really does help out the channel. I'm going to grab this one off the levitator before it starts to break. Really messed up that line there. Sorry, I'm just sorting out my bowls in my shoes. This is the Nike Air Jordan 1 Low Paris, and as I've already said, the cheap man's Dior in my opinion. Come with pale blue hits, nice whites and creams to contrast them, and then finally a nice grey nubuck coming across the laces, as well as a Paris hang tag. Lana, you're looking at me confused. No. As we can see, it says Paris. Lana thought this was a shop tag because she thinks that we steal our shoes, but no, we just get them in early. As I said, we've got premium nubucks, some nice soft suede and then tumbled leather. So this shoe is as premium as it comes, and this is reiterated in the price point. They're £115, so a bit more than your normal Air Jordan 1 lows, but it's worth it. I will be in Paris this weekend, so while you're watching this, I could already be in Paris. If you see me, come say hello. Be like, hi Chris, you're from Resale supplier. Oh, you're really tall in real life. That's what a lot of people say to me anyway. If you're looking to cop a pair of these, I would personally go true to size, so UK 10 for myself, as per usual. And I'm not gonna lie, I will probably try and pick up a pair of these. Releasing as part of the City Pack, there will also be the Milan colourway, and apparently there's a London one as well. We will have an unboxing of the Milan very soon, but the London is an enigma. We're not too sure what it is or when it's dropping at the moment. So hopefully Nike are doing a madness, they're gonna hit us with a nice shock drop. But these and the Milans are good enough for me. Releasing this coming Saturday at £115, there is a very nice resale price to these. As I said, the poor man's Dior, so people do want to get their hands on them very, very quickly. I've been Chris from the Soul Supplier. This has been the Nike Air Jordan 1 Low Paris, and we'll see you very soon for another exclusive unboxing. See ya.